Often in networking, we're not really sure, 100% of the time, the impact of our configuration sets and stanzas. Config this, config that, interface this, IP that. And its effect on the state of the network. Did things come up? What happened? Did new things get introduced in tables? Let's put the two together now that we have the configuration change state and per learn and show command state. We can combine these two now to find out the impact of changes, right? So I've clicked on the config button and you've seen me click on these other buttons. Let's do all changes after we make a change, right? So conf t int VLAN 200 description Merlin. Let's give it an IP address and let's no shut it, and let's give ourselves a VLAN 200 with a name of Merlin. Okay, so now let's get all changes. Now this is going to chug for a little bit. I hope I can get this video in the time Twitter has allocated me, which is 140 seconds. But I'm learning all of these tables, all of the state of the network, as well as the configuration now. And our change center will roll over and show us the effect of those changes both in the configuration and in the state of the network. Here we go. So we can see that we have right in ARP, there is a new VLAN interface. We can see in the interface configurations, we have that new interface, and we've brought up some other IP. Here's the configuration changes. These are the config stanzas that we've added. And we removed this config, right? It had an impact in interfaces. It had an impact on VLANs. VRFs and inventory was not changed. IP interface brief changed, right? The connection between what we've configured and the changes to the state of the network. It just keeps coming and building and growing. So thank you, and I hope you found this exciting. This is great stuff. Stay safe.